Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today I have that Chromebook I want to install Windows on. This is a HP Chromebook 14. Okay, first of all, I'm going to show you how to disable the protection so that we can run on the developer mode and run our Windows. Okay, first we open it. As you can see, we are opening the system. So after we are done opening it, there are the screws you have to take off before you can be able to enter the developer mode. All right, so these are the three screws that are very important. You will see as I remove it. All right, these are the first one, then the second one, then the third one. All right, these are the screws that you need to remove before you can be able to run on the developer mode. Our next step, all right, we have to see how we can get to the developer mode. All right, now automatically it will on. After it turns on, then you turn it off by pressing escape, refresh button and power button all together. You do it together simultaneously and it will get you down here. Then you press Ctrl D. Okay, then you press Ctrl D again. Okay, this step, what I'm just trying to do, I'm trying to off the operating system. Then after offing the operating, then owning the developer mode. Then after developer mode, which is running now, you can see that it's running. It's going to take up to 4 minutes for it to load to the developer mode. After loading to the developer mode, there we can be able to put in a new root password, then create a shell, then have a new firmware by downloading it from the website, which we did in the previous video. So we are going to just take it the step one after the other so that you pick it up and know what to do when you have Chromebook 14 on how to install Windows 10 on it. So after this, it restarts and press Ctrl D again. Then now it's loading directly to the developer mode. Alright, so what we have to do now is to just set it up. Then we press let go. Then we connect to a network. We have a network here, a network. I'm going to connect to it. It's very necessary you have a very good network so that you don't have any obstruction when doing this. Okay, especially when you are downloading the new firmware. If you don't have a good network and you are trying to download the new firmware and it got stuck on the way, your PC might get crashed. So you have to avoid that. You will make sure you have a good network that you will be able to connect very well and do whatever you want to do. Okay, you will have to sign in. I have to sign in my email there. Then after signing in my mail, put in my password. Okay, after putting the password, then we wait. Everything is set now. So what next we have to do? We have to type in Ctrl Alt F2. Okay, this is the command we can use to enable our Chromebook for it to accept any OS and also to create a root password. As you can see, we are typing in the root. Then we type in the chromeos set dev password, and that is what we are trying to set the password that will be able for us to create in a new firmware. Okay, so the password we are using is as simple as admin. All right, so the next step is to go to Mr. Chromebook Tech or Chrome. You can just type Mr. Chrome and it will take you here. Then you go to the website. I discovered that this firmware is not always going to use the support devices. From support devices, you will be able to get access to the firm utility script, because that is where we are getting to. We type simultaneously Ctrl Alt T to get to the terminal. Then we type shell. Then from shell, this is where we type in our code that we need. This our CD that we used to copy. That's what we copy. We have to copy it now. Then when we copy it, we paste it there. It will generate from there and download our new firmware. Alright, so we have to press enter to continue. As usual, after doing this, you have to still put in the password that you created, the root password, which is the admin. Then you can see it's downloading. Then after it will download, then it will ask for you to update, to back up your firmware. Okay, so you have to back up your firmware, your former firmware, which is the OS firm, the Chromebook OS firmware. So after that, we install the new firmware. So now we first proceed of installing, which is 2. We press 2, then yes for us to continue. Okay, now we have to insert a flash drive to back up the old firmware. Alright, so we are going to do that now. We are going to plug in a flash. Any storage device you have around, you can use it to, not the one you are going to use to run the Windows, rather the one that you are going to use. This one is going to be like an empty flash, or a flash where you have files inside of it, not the one that the operating system is inside. Okay, it's different. Alright, you plug in your flash. After you plug in your flash, then you create it by pressing yes, which is Y. You have to press Y, then you enter. Okay, now it sees the flash as 1, and then you have to press 1 for it to enter. Okay, now it's saving the firmware on the flash. After it saves the firmware on the flash, you have to press enter to continue. Okay, after you press enter, it starts downloading the full ROM firmware. Okay, we have to wait for a while. So just take some few minutes before it's download it and install. Yeah, the firmware is fully installed. Okay, alright, we have to go back to the menu by pressing enter. Then when we get to the menu, then we have to press arrow to reboot. Okay, so let's press arrow. Okay, then we restart. Okay, now we have a new firmware here. Alright, we have a new firmware here. Okay, our next step is to load our new operating system, which is our Windows 10. We have the Windows Lite here, so we have to plug in, then press escape. Then we go to boot menu. Oh, some of the keys are malfunctioning, but we go to boot menu. Then we have we go to the flash, USB flash. It's going to boot. Alright, we have a lot of Windows here. We are going for Windows Lite, Windows 10L, which is the Lite. So we have to install the Windows properly. These other steps on how to run this Windows are not hard. It's just the same thing we did in the other Chrome. So it's simple. So you have to plug a mouse and an external mouse, because your mouse will not work. The only thing that's going to work here is your keyboard. So you plug an external mouse for you to be able to navigate whatever you want to do. Every changes you want to make, you can navigate and make changes towards that. Okay, we click next, and here is our OS. So we delete all the partitions we have here. Make sure you delete all of them, and you can also create a new one before running up. Alright, so after doing this, we wait for a while for it to load. If you find this video very helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my videos to those that need it, to your friends, your loved ones. You can also contact me, okay, for if you have issues on how to install it. Okay, I'll give you guidelines. You can see my link on the description of the video below. I also have the free drivers of this
HP Chromebook 14 G6. I have the drivers. Okay, after we're done installing the Windows, we are going to install the drivers, and I have it, and I'll drop it on the description of this video so that you can go and use it if it's the type of Chromebook you are using. Okay, you can use it. And also I'm going to still do a video on Chromebooks to show you another method on how to get rid of the firmware of Chrome OS to Windows firmware without using all this other process we are doing. We are almost done here. Okay, it has reached the desktop. All right, let's try and install the drivers. All right, I have the drivers in my flash. Yeah, in this my movable flash. All right, here it is. We are going to run the one for the mouse, which is it. Okay, we run the one for the speaker. All right, see, it has installed. Then this other one is for the chipset. Okay, it's going to help the processor to run very well and to process information very well. All right, so we are going to install it. After installing it, we have to restart the system for every drivers to enter very well. Okay, so that's it. That's the software. Just like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. We are here to help you on any of your gadgets. Feel free to consult us if you have any contributions, you have questions you want to ask. You can use the link on the video below and get to me. Look at the speaker is working. All right, guys, thank you for watching this video and see you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.